Hello folks. Well, this is the Ikarus Piccolo from Germany. An interesting story behind why I have this is because Alexander van Rostein in Germany contacted me way back then and asked my advice on how to market it due to my success with my selling of my ETRM, that's electric tail rotor motor invention, and no tail rotor Hyperfly to Shimasa and Kyosho in Japan. I said, make a tape and send it in. Well, he did, and in appreciation, he got the deal and he sent me this. As I look at it now, I see it as a tiny FM receiver on Crystal Channel 25, and that transmitter no longer exists after the fire. So I decided to swap out the receiver with the Spectrum AR620. That's when I found the tail rotor motor ESC on the unit was dead.
Well, I really wanted to fly this, but there is no voltage whatsoever going to the tail, so something is burned out on this mixer circuit, and I don't know how I would fix that.
Actually, I think I do. So next I had to find something that might work, and that was the eSky Honeybee radio. It has a brush motor ESC, and so I put it in, and with not a lot of messing around or settings, I took it out, and this is what happened. So obviously a catastrophic failure. I'm not sure. I think maybe the overheat protection shut it down because there was no damage and everything worked. Battery's still good. It just dove straight to the ground. Like the power was just cut off. We'll try it again here.
Oh boy.
Man, this is a handful. That's enough. Save it for the next guy.
I think that's pretty rough.
I agree with me. It needs some settings changes, but
That's rough. I don't know if I should try that again or not. No. I'll save it. Piccolo.
so I saved it. It's back up on the shelf. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. Please subscribe, click the like button, and we'll see you on the next episode because this is what's coming next. You don't want to miss it.